Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jonell Santos and I will introduce to you my group, namely Mactal, Menard Dulay, Lintag, and last but not the least, Arbie Pantay. And now we will show you some informative video which is explaining the quicksort algorithm. Okay. The quicksort algorithm takes the unsorted sequence and sort item into particular order. For example, let's say we have 7 items 0, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, and 5. We start up taking one unsorted item in this sequence and make it that a pivot point. In this example, we take the last item in the unsorted sequence and make this a pivot point. The pivot is just a number that we want to base on comparison of all the numbers. We create two lists which if the number is less than the pivot, they belong to the lower list, and if the number is greater than pivot, and they belong to the higher list. We do this until we reach the last unsorted items. And after that, we will sort the item or values in the list that we created. And how we can do this is to apply again the same method. We take the last number in the highest list and make this a pivot, and also in the lower list. Okay, and the next man who will explain and give another example to must easily understand what is quick sorting in algorithm. Let's welcome Mactal.
Paliwanag ko ngayon kung ano ang quicksort. Quicksort is a highly efficient sorting algorithm based on partitioning of array of data into a smaller array. Ang pag-uuri ng mga algorithm at batay sa pagkahati-hati ng mga array ng data sa mas maliit na array. A large array is a partition into two array, one of which hold value is smaller than specified value. Sinasabi na ang large array ay nahati sa dalawang mga array na ang isa ay mayroong mga halagang mas maliit kaysa sa tinutukoy na halaga. Sabihin na ang pivot. Batay ito sa kung saan ginawa ang partition at ang isa pang array ay nagtataglay ng mga mahalagang mas malaki kaysa sa halaga ng pivot.
Hello guys, ako nga pala si Mactal from BSIT 2O. Papaliwanag ko kung paano nga ba gumagana ang algorithm quicksort. Gumagana ang algorithm quicksort sa pamamagitan ng pagkuha ng pivot sa last item ng array at paghati sa array sa dalawang mas maliit na mga sub-array na may mas maliit na mga number sa left side at sa right side ng pivot ay lahat ng malaking item. Ang mga numbers na hinati, ina-arrange ito para makabuo ng pagkasunod-sunod na item ng array. Sa madaling salita, ang quicksort algorithm ay tumatagal ng isang hanay ng data at hinahati ito sa kalahati ng isang point na kilalang bilang pivot. Bawat kalahati ay pagkatapos pinagsusunod-sunod sa parehong paraan. Sa pamamagitan ng bawat kalahati, ang proseso ay pagkatapos ay paulit-ulit na beses hanggang lumiit ito para makabuo ng pagkasunod-sunod na array.
My name is Menard Dulay from BSIT 2O. Today we're going to discuss the implementation of algorithm. What is implementation of algorithm? This is the key process in quicksort is partition. Target of partition is given an array and an element of X array as its pivot. Put X at its correct position in sorted array and pull all the smaller elements smaller than X before X and put all the greater elements greater than X after X. And it should be done in linear time. Yung method is quicksort. Iti-take siya as parameter and array para masort ito. Ang key process dito ay partition. Ito yung kukuhanin niya ang mga last element as pivot. Ano nga ba pivot? Yung pivot is yung nagdi-divide ng array. Yun. Pagtapos naman, i-check yung bawat element pagtapos ng partitioning. Lahat ng element na mas mababa ay mapupunta sa kaliwa ng pivot. At yung mga matataas naman ay mapupunta sa kanan ng pivot. Yung pivot ay mapupunta naman sa final position niya at yung function return this position.
Time complexity. Siya yung sumusukat ng oras sa pagtakbo ng isang algorithm. So, ang algorithm, siya yung nagsasolve ng iba't ibang klase ng problema or nagpe-perform ng isang computation katulad ng calculation data processing, automated reasoning, and other tasks. So, two types complexity are average case and waste case. First, average case complexity, which is an average measure of the amount of resources the algorithm uses on a random input. Second, worst case complexity is commonly used to compare the efficiency of two algorithms. So, the worst case complexity of an algorithm should be constrained with its average case complexity. Algorithmic complexities are classified according to the type of function appearing in the big O notation. For example, an algorithm with the time complexity O parenthesis n raised to the a parenthesis for some constant a greater than 1 is a polynomial time algorithm.
And now, we will create a code. First thing to do is define a function which named the quicksort, and the sequence means through the unsorted items. Okay. Second, we need to calculate the length. Length is equal to length sequence, and we write a if-else statement. If length is less than or equal to 1, return sequence. And into the else statement, pivot is equal to sequence.pop. Pop means you remove an item, but you can easily return it. Then, in the else statement, we provide a definition into two lists. The first list is item greater is equal to list 1. Item is equal to lower list 2. Then, after that, we create a statement for else statement in the greater than the pivot. For item in sequence, if item is greater than pivot, item greater than append item. Or, okay, what is append? Append, you can easily add a value or item in the sequence. In the else statement, item lower that append. And then return quicksort item lower plus pivot plus quicksort item greater than pivot. Okay, then after that you print the function, which is the quicksort, and give the number that are given, the 0, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, and 5. Okay, thank you.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!